Are you looking for the fastest SSD right now for your gaming PC or your workstation? Then make sure you stick around until the end, because today we're taking a look at a real beast of a storage drive that makes the competition look pretty old. If you care about top performance and future-proofing, it's hard to ignore Samsung's new Gen 5 SSD. It delivers an insane read speed of nearly 15,000 megabytes per second, more than twice what many common Gen 4 models can do. Write performance is just as brutal, up to 13,400 megabytes per second, making it ideal for huge files, demanding video projects, or virtual machines. It also gets interesting with the small stuff, random read and write performance. Here, the SSD throws down up to 2.6 million IOPS. That means lightning-fast access to small files, smooth multitasking with lots of programs at once, and basically no loading times in games or apps, assuming the rest of your system is fast enough. The SSD comes in the standard M.2 2280 format, so it's compatible with most modern motherboards. Important: you need a board with PCIe 5.0 support to unlock its full potential. Otherwise, you're holding this monster back. A real plus is its relatively cool operation. Sure, it gets hot under load, but compared to other Gen 5 SSDs, it still stays within a reasonable temperature range. Still, you shouldn't run it without a heatsink. Samsung's own Magician software support is included again, of course. With it, you can monitor performance, update firmware, and easily check the drive's health. Price-wise? Yeah, this is where it gets interesting. The 2TB version isn't exactly cheap, and if you don't have a PCIe 5.0 system, you'll barely notice the difference compared to a more affordable Gen 4 SSD. But if you want maximum performance, this is exactly the kind of drive you're looking for. Curious? As always, you'll find links to the SSD and current deals down below in the video description. So, what are this SSD's strengths and weaknesses? Pros: extremely fast read and write speeds, excellent random access performance, future-proof thanks to PCIe 5.0, more efficient temperature management than many Gen 5 competitors, full control with Samsung Magician software. Cons: relatively expensive, especially if you don't have a PCIe 5.0 system. Full performance only usable with current hardware? Without cooling, it heats up fast. In real-world use, often only slightly faster than good Gen 4 models. So, is upgrading to this high-end SSD worth it? If you want the fastest of the fast and you've got the right hardware, absolutely yes. For everyone else, it may be worth looking at solid Gen 4 models too. Don't forget to check the video description. There you'll find current deals, comparisons, and more. And if you enjoyed this video, drop a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more hardware reviews. See you next time!